I'm going somewhere. Burger King, stop. Hello everyone, it's here. Calayan, Batangas. Daming kaliklig. Meron sila ditong poso. Sink. May dirty kitchen. Mga puno. Maambon. Ito yung likod guys. Diba? Malapit siya talaga sa dagat. Tapos meron tong ship. Oh, may tao sa taas. Someone's up there. Ayan silang pool. Nakambon. This is the main kitchen. So many microwave ovens. I don't know what else is that contraption over there. They also have a dirty kitchen, coffee makers, and there's another refrigerator there and some gas stove. Tanya's already swimming.
Sino nandito?
Nakalaki yan kuya.
Paano sila nakapasok?
Doon sa kitchen.
Is it cold? Wait! I remember this. It's that one thing. Titanic. Excuse you.
Hello! What's up? Hindi naman picture video eh.
Mama, tawag ka.
I need you in the pool.
So other side of the place. You can hear the sound of the waves. So nice.
In the pool.
They're swimming na. Gonna be fetching that ball over there. Just wanna show you some other parts of the place. So this is the entrance. And I don't know what kind of bird is making that sound right now. Maybe you can hear it. Oh, very nice. Guys, ito siya sa loob. May dito upuan na pwede nang gawing bed. Sa TV. Meron siyang CR and shower room. Yung pito na yun, di pwede buksan. And meron isa pang parang bed na sofa. Sofa bed. And yan. Meron ditong dalawang gaming chair. Hello everyone! It's day 2 today here at Batangas. Calayan or Calatagan? I'm not so sure. So this is the view of the place. Very windy. And you can hear some birds chirping. And also you can hear the waves. This is the place. I'm wearing my bucket hat. There are ships not so far away. That's the ship. And then right here there's a tree and some sittings. The kids are up but they are playing inside. Ate and Kuya went to the market to buy us some food. So there's a swimming pool right here. A small one. That is it. There's a garden part here with some plants. There are some santan and some other flowers I'm not familiar with. Full of grass. It's nice walking on grass. This plant right here has a yellow flowers to it. And then there's a cambias tree. I don't know if you're familiar with cambias. They are sour flavored and sometimes we put them on some meals. This one here has so many of it that most of them fall down or fell down. See, so many cambias. And there's then a house, a small house right there for the caretakers, I guess. There are some stumps that you can sit on. There's a coot. What do you call that? A coot, right? The sounds are very nice. Hey, there's a dog. A very big tree right here. Video. This is outside of the place. There are some bougainvilleas here. And that's the road. Ano yan, ma?
Malalak ka rin pala sa loob eh.
Hello! Hello, that's Mama.
Hi!
Where are we? Asan tayo, ma?
Ha?
Calatagan ba to o Calayan? Calatagan o Calayan?
Hindi ko alam.
Wala. Si Mama may dalang suha.
Nalaglag naman ito eh.
Si Si Mama nangihingi ng suka. It's sa limasag. And hipon. For today, we have lettuce and mango, guys. Wala na yung barko doon. Malis na. Guys, mag-zoom in. Ito yung ginagawa ni Mayus. Yun din sa banda doon, meron din barko. Hi guys, it's Cliffview Cafe. This is our view.
Down here.
What is it, Mabby?
Ate, hey, what is down there?
Hang on.
Those.
Kubo.
Hi.
Hello. Oh yeah, okay din yan, ma.
Kami kakain. Cliffview. Hi guys. Good.
Oh, mainit.
Anong bulalo? I think that's called Taal Lake. There's a volcano in the middle of the lake.